Engineer adds wires and USB-C to AirPods, making the most advanced earpods ever. Wow, they won't.
Because why not?
Crafty bunch. We just had the USB-C AirPods on the Unbox Therapy channel. Go check that out. That's interesting. On a short, and that was from Exploring the Simulation. Was it him who did this as well? It was.
Yeah.
So he did a follow-up here. He's like, well, all right, I'm all about this USB-C. I'm all about these Apple products. People seem to like it. And so he goes, what if we just did them both wired? I'll take the wireless ones and put the wire back.
You don't need the case anymore.
Which is kind of like the opposite of, have you seen those YouTube short / TikToks where they go up and they snip the wire and when someone's listening to music?
Oh, yeah.
And the person, hey, man, what the hell?
And then they give them AirPods.
Yeah. So this is kind of like that, I guess, Will. Right?
Yeah. This is
in
kind
reverse.
Of like,
in reverse.
But there's fun to it. It's like hacking, really developing something that's like super minuscule. Takes a lot of skill.
Right. And I mean, arguably, like, are you going to have better sound quality, maybe?
Why, you think there's like
you got a wired connection.
A built-in DAC or something?
He might DAC it up. Ken Pillinell has previously made USB-C iPhone, which sold for $86,000, followed by USB-C AirPods and AirPods Pro. That's the one we were just looking at. However, they had a port on the charging case itself. The new project brings the USB-C connector to the actual AirPods, adding wires to wireless earphones. He did this because the batteries on his AirPods had gone bust, and that and for YouTube. He ended up damaging one of the AirPods while trying to replace the batteries, converted them to wired earphones as a commentary on the widely criticized repairability of AirPods. No doubt the average person is not going to do this. iFixit gave AirPods and AirPods Pro a 0 out of 10 repairability score. So, yeah, e-waste galore. But in his case, he's repurposed them. And they actually look kind of cool, but
like a giant thick cable.
Yeah, well, I mean, they look kind of cool, right?
Yeah.
And I don't know, they're not going to be really useful for you with an iPhone, obviously, because it's a Type-C, unless I guess you get an adapter and adapt it, and that's kind of annoying. But yeah, if those go into a USB-C phone, sure.
Yeah.
Go for it.